Hello everyone, today we'll show you how we can import icon in our existing HTML, CSS and JavaScript code from Font Awesome. So here is our code snippet. We can see that. So we need actually two websites. One is fontawesome.com. So we type fontawesome.com, and we need another website, that is Font Awesome CDN, in from the CDN libraries. So we type Font Awesome CDN, and the first website we will click, and after entering the website, the first one, that is CSS slash all.mindes CSS, we just copy it and came to your code, and paste it inside the head section. After that, we will came to the fontawesome.com website, and here we can search our icon. Like we need Facebook, so we just write Facebook and search it. The Facebook icon is come. Just click on the icon and select HTML. Click on the code. It automatically copied the code and paste it wherever you want the icon. So and we can see that our icon is coming, and we need another icon like YouTube. So just search YouTube, and the YouTube icon is also coming, and select HTML and uh, click on the code. It copy it and then came into your code and paste it. And we need another on, that is GitHub. Just we write GitHub, then it comes. We just click on GitHub icon, just copy the code and paste in our existing code wherever we want the icon. So you can see that the three icon is coming from the Font Awesome website, and using the CDN. So thank you, follow me and subscribe my channel.